What up, Tube? We are in Conroe, Texas in the summer. It's hot outside. It is classic truck throwdown. We're indoors. Everyone's getting their trucks cleaned up. Show's about to open up and start. Bunch of classic trucks from OBS and older, including Ford. So you got old body style Fords. You got F100s. You got C10s, Apaches. Excuse me, Chevy OBS. Indoor, it's nice, it's air conditioned, but we are going to venture outside and we're going to take a look at some awesome trucks. Conroe, Texas, classic truck throwdown. Let's go. Got my boy Ricky Holly's backup truck. He's building a new one. Lolita got sold on Barrett-Jackson last year. But this is, we'll call his cruiser. Big wheels, Willwood brakes, just a beautiful clean truck. Very nice. He's got a new one being built with an Acme chassis called Caroline. That's all I know so far. It's got an Acme chassis. It's going to be low. It's going to have big wheels. And it's going to have Willwood brakes. El Indio. This is a beautiful truck with some awesome pinstripe work. Now this whole truck is patinaed with no clear. I saw them literally rubbing it down with just some detailer and some like tire shine on it to get a little bit of a gloss. I love this beautiful Native American touch in here. It's very, very cool. And I'm going to go to the back side of this so you can see that logo really good. But let's check that out. Look at this beautiful truck. Now the reason for all these awesome Native American touch, the owner obviously has a Native American heritage. Very cool dude. And we're going to see some of his stuff in his booth in a second. He's also got a really cool bicycle. We'll take a look at. It's not a truck, but it's real cool. Indio art. That's what I'm saying. Very cool stuff. Let's check out this bicycle. I think this thing is awesome. Very cool bike. You got a cool bike, cool artwork, and an awesome truck. A lot of orange on this awesome C10. Very well done. Sit in a nice static stance. Of course, you got the good brakes. Just beautifully done. Interior breaks up a little bit of that orange in there with some black and some white. A beautiful bed. Looking good. The blue on this truck. So nice. Check out that roof though. Isn't that cool? That looks beautiful. Love that artwork on the roof. Simple, clean interior. Super nice. What's cooler than a well put together manual brake setup by Willwood? How about a cool supercharger on top of an LS? Very well sorted, beautiful champagne colored C10. Early C10, very nice. Got the brakes. Love this color. Beautiful on the bed, and that interior, again, clean, simple, well done. This is really cool. I love how they're displaying the bed of the truck. This custom bed that raises up, looking really cool. Love the gray on black. Beautifully done. These aren't even in the Willwood booth. They just saw Willwood. There's a reason for that. This one's on Hydro Boost. LS. Very well done. Interior. Beautiful. There's some of that boom boom going on there. Let's see if we can focus in on that a little. Looking good. Very nice. This is a really cool green. I like the shade of green. Got some underglow going on under that. You see that? Nice wheels. Nice little scoop on the carburetor. These are really cool F100. Running balance bar setup with remote reservoirs, it looks like. Love this color. Look really good. Very nice. Check out that interior. Beautifully done. This Ford does not have huge wheels. It's got meaty tires. It's called the Asphalt Assassin, and I think you can tell why. Very cool. With a big blower on the top. Love this. Color is nice. Just well set up. Let's look at the back in a second here. Gotta admire that interior with its race seat belts. Look at that meaties on that. Love these 50s Chevy pickups. This one is super clean. Modernized on the interior. You got your touchscreen. Awesome center console. Beautiful seats. Very well done. Let's see what's under the hood. It's got Corvette calipers on this one. Very well sorted. A lot of red, but it looks really good with that accents of the chrome. Yes, trucks, they're making a comeback. Or they've made a comeback, probably better said. This one's really clean. Sit low on some airlift suspension. Next to this beautiful 50s truck as well. Very nice, also on airlift. Very good. Square body dually. Come on, I wouldn't take you to a truck event and not show you a square body dually. I really like this color. It's a satin, flat, not black, I'm sorry, flats. I don't know what color this is. It's got a hint of purple in it, a hint of brown. It's very cool though, and I love the way it's sitting. Very nice. It's awesome. It's not slammed, it's lowered. The ride's nice, static. Lots of beautiful engine work. Check out turbos. Twin turbo LS. Hydro boost. Lots of fun on this one. Interior is done by MTI, which is in most of the interiors here. This one's all race, all business, but still clean and beautiful. Taking it back to the early 2000s, this beautiful OBS Blazer. So well done by a couple of my friends, live out in the Austin area. Love this. I'm calling it purple. Some call it pink. It is called Pinky Swear, so I guess I'm wrong. But it's a beautiful truck. And right next to it, they just finished their other truck, another OBS. You remember the truck movement of the late 90s, early 2000s? You know this. And this has Willwood's OBS stuff on it. Master cylinder, front and rear brakes. Very cool. This one's called Prussia. But check out all this airbrush work. So neat. Look at that guy. Some more skulls up here. Just beautifully done, and it all follows down. See the big calipers there? It all follows the side of the truck. So well done. All the beautiful work on the back. All the air work. Just well done. Very, very nice. I love the presentation. I'm going to take you in right here so y'all can see. The box is built behind the cab with the subwoofers facing into the cab. Yeah. Can't hear it. Ain't playing it. But I did. MTI made this interior as well. And y'all, it just doesn't do it justice. Check out those subwoofers. That is so cool. Just such great work. MTI, College Station, Texas. Man, this is a nice truck. So, yep, I've been told, and I should have known, but I don't see enough of them. This is a Godzilla engine swap in this F100. So let's just take another quick look at this beautiful engine. Godzilla swapped, really nicely done. The big motor, 7.2 liter, that's what I'm told. If I'm wrong, I apologize. I don't know these motors, but they do. 7.2 liter Godzilla motor on this F100. Beautiful truck. Let's go look at a couple of the other ones. There's a Bronco they built, and I'm going to show you how they do it. So they'll take a Bronco. This is a supercharged Coyote motor, and they'll take the body and drop it on one of their new upgraded frames. It's an all-wheel drive frame for a Bronco. Something like this. This is also, now, I know it's not missing the motor. It's right there. 5.0 Coyote. And of course, they got a few more. They got that one. They got that one. And they got this really cool Dr. Pepper one. Dr. Pepper's from Texas. I love Dr. Pepper. And it's just a cool truck. Got the wheel with brakes. Big old Coyote. Looking good. Row of clean C10s. Square bodies. Early C10s. 70 C10s. This orange one's really nice. Sitting on a nice static stance. LSR. Supercharged LS. Representing Pat's Performance and Tuning. A nice classic truck here. Not a C10. A little early for that. Really nice. An LS in it. Love this gold on black combination. Looks really good. Very well done. Interior is very cool. Nice, simple, tight fit like they were back then. Very nice. Coming up on, this is my boy Brandon's truck. He used to have the Battleship truck, but that's sold after LST. This is his square body he's playing with. It was for sale. He decided to keep it. He's going to be playing with it. This is a beautiful two-tone C10 square body. LS, of course. Really love that blue with the orange stripe and the white. Love the color combination on this gray and maroon or burgundy. Looking really good. And another one of the buddies, Lemon Drop. You follow me? This was in our booth last year. Very nice. An Acme chassis. And another beautiful square body. That's a cool panel truck. Look how low that is. Good variety of trucks, Ford, Dodge, Chevy, GM, everything. Last day, hot weekend, just another early summer in Texas. Bunch of people showed up for this beautiful event with these beautiful trucks. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We're gonna wind down, get you some little last footage of the weekend.
Come on.
Hey,
Hey.
don't you said you were gonna come visit me.
I'm fixing to go get some of that AC.
Yeah, when?
Right now. Yeah, he broke a sweat yet. You got it right.
This is a really cool panel van, truck, whatever you want to call it. Love the pinstriping. See that dude. Beautiful pinstriping on this color. Beard's Garage. It's a beautiful 50s Chevy truck. Named Cotton Candy. Very nice. 3100. It's a beautiful truck. Love that. Check out that bed. So cool. Beautiful truck. People playing the music in here. Some people got the grills going already. It's a great vibe here at Classic Truck Throwdown. That beautiful candy bed covers up this beautiful work here in the back for all the air components, fuel tank. Very nice. Here's a very cool classic. Very classic. Antique even. Love the gray. Cool little truck. Check this out. Love that radiator cap. Very cool. Thing is slammed is this beautiful 50s Chevy truck. LS under the hood. I love the big wheels, but the period correct style big wheels with the white walls. Check out this engine bay. Very well done. Love the color. Super cool.